Shirabotai, El Shaddai, woman, me pay. On the way, Semenya wana kamewu. Andi biarendi wa minyo. Sanya beya meso weni.
Member of Parliament for Keta constituency, Honorable Kwame Jujoli Gakwe. I confess to Subi.
You alone, my God and my strength.
When I toss me, you know, this is the second time. 7 December, yeah, and toss me,
my desire.
Where do you want to say the filling station?
Oh my God.
Through Honor Money, security man could see any.
Nothing I wouldn't do just to please you, oh Papa.
Pre-plan basa, we sikabe 7,000. And a fake pump.
Till I die.
Me and my baby cake. I can phone the call.
I will love you till I die. Oh.
What's happening?
Papa.
Chiami Gabriel.
Send your bear me so when he let no one go see whom. Let no one go see me would die. Let no one go see whom. Let no one go see me would die. Yummy. Papa. Me yummy. Send me yawana mama me. Kenya boy. Send me tree one. I'm a trouble time. El Shaddai, woman, me pay. On the way, Semenya wana kamewu. Andi biarendi wa minyo. Senya beya meso weni. Mendo wa kusi ohum. Mendo wa kusi miwuda. Mendo wa kusi ohum. Mendo wa kusi miwuda. Papa.
Of Kojo Tete, good morning to you. Piaga, Vida AJ.
You alone are my God and my King. There is nothing I would.
Bernard Enim, thank you guys for joining us on Facebook. Adumano 6.3 FM live on Facebook and YouTube.
Love you till I die, oh. I will love you till I die. I will love you till I die, oh. Papa. Papa, I will love you till I die. I will love you till I die. Oh, I will love you till I die. I will love you till I die. Oh, Papa. Adi biarendi wa minyo. Senya beya me so weni. Adi biarendi wa minyo. Senya beya me so moda. Nedo wa.
Well, Mammy Fenchia, Shronkon.
Beya me so weni. Nedo wa go see whom. Nedo wa go see me wuda.
Nana Jan Odro, the pa autosumi no. We are don't hini Senchi.
Papa.
And as an appearance, I don't want 6.3 FM. Nana, good morning to you. El Shaddai.
Una woman many a me onu fwe semenya wana kame
ana peno sega se boni ni ete
ni wa minyo senya
akuma nu bia ono wati fi no mantama wati sa mofra ekoton wo mo mofra be ye mfie nson mfie du ba ko du miensa
papa
child trafficking.
You alone are my God and my strength.
Meti aya na shima kuma mu pa.
I'm my song and my shield.
Se ma wo me ba. Sabi wo hianti. Sabi wo hianti. Na me di abofra na ma wo bi. Se fa no ko.
Go see wo wum. Mendo go see mi wunda. Mendo go see wo wum. Mendo go see mi wunda. Nyame.
Areho.
Papa. Mi nyame. Se mi nyawana mama mi. Kenya boy. Se mi triwana mi chirobotai.
Same brobro so na otwe wie ya in fact say me chance ya yeto aba ne wie ye nimu ena emrahye badwani a omanfo ewo keta abato mpesua so ato abade yi no the honorable Kwame Jujoli Gakpe nipa bonfo bi kwato share no so we de ka hono angasangasan wakoda ya sabia kora na edi kan no na otwe wie ye ya kire se Sunday ahamache kwesiada ahamache ena ni filling station Am Roberts esa ekọ hon mu bio ma otisa mbobo so no but me saka no the member of parliament Kwame Jujoli Gakpe mene no entwetwe enkomo ona wote menka
yeah me too uncle
afishapa
afinko beti afishese na bibia
yeah me ase ma mini kan ma utrim kwa congratulations on your successful swearing in as a member of parliament for Adesha Womowo Keta constituency. Ni auti sa me buboso yi se kwesiada hamache Am Roberts filling station ewo edini boy Sachimaja right ben Agbozume Am Roberts aba hobio
that's right
what are you saying how does this happen
to say how much to say 130 and I mean ya kitwa alone share filling station also now friend say mo friend say Am Roberts no mobile filling station no mobile me anchor ba girl be dan ba kom no mo business any papa on nti mo nim no mo a friend and then the omo capture na hostage and omo catch us on chere baby me security no and omo usually as a shield and oba no catch pray from so omo jening kwama no and sana omo start to and baby mobile money we be on my to abubo glass ring na ara sake honing na and nipa ba omo ye nipa 6 but nipa ba ko le kura pistol and omo to no sana almost started destroying me doors there were various dino almost destroy doors no and yamana na almost for 7,000 Ghana cedis and almost for me pump ashinga almost say about 3 weeks no almost by me fiangasa by attacking me angasa
yes
and they made away with 25,000 me pistol and I mean mobile phone send me laptop ring now mo de call and pistol now mobile to no I'm suspecting me pistol now mobile we are no sankrofo na neba
na je say a pistol now won be we free wo ho no eno an no mo sande ba wo so kwasiada no because bullet no we are na me to we say we bullet as serial number yes
and we suspect say because is 6 but nipa ba ko pre na kura pistol no and the system me security person no the penny no I know that my police for training how to use pump action gun. Dano on because of incident happen with me fear. No, na me say me be fear of security. And me say omon pen nipa back mami na me fan car. And sa nipa back no by 3 days. And our first one no one be juma wa jai nipa no kwa wa juma.
Honorable but memo to so me but etiefo betimi adwane me on Facebook. Ubehu security man no ye pra ne koko ha no ubehu filling station ho ne course wo ho bia no ubehu no join me live at Adoma no 6.3 FM on Facebook. Honorable to so me.
And also instead of so be ba no one ba na 3 days in here. 3 days na nipa fofo no ba no oja onu kwa onu so or the tuna man or tuna so no onum se na etutu no enti gofo buy no etuno wa yes and onim se na obetutu no enti omobo pa eje etuno e de koy
no but me ba when na akoso na aboba yesen
operation it take it say 1 hour it take it say 1 hour
me bisa say na aboba yesen
1
a.m.
1 a.m.
Okay.
Well, and a filling station, and your media and filling station is a 6. A link or glory or
on that same stretch.
On the same stretch. On that same stretch. And a main road, a flow to Accra Road, no. Sakwa also click such Majabuzmanu. It was Sakwa also Accra to Accra, a flow road, main road. That's foul. And here by the same mean and I'm feeling it's here. But to make car on authority say my life is in danger. Seriously. On person mukumi. And the police for is on you and security man. Okay. So you have to invest in all your own security. I'm investing. But the state security. So I'll take you over. Because I am a city member of parliament. And then they need to protect me.
Honorable, why would anybody want to take your life? I didn't know be better so obey your money.
I don't know. Me, I'm a very calm person, but me to be sure. Almost said, we are sick. We are papa. We go for all there. We be all there over town. And I was only in politics game. Maybe we don't go for be a contest. And one winning almost so. Sir, yeah, no, show. You may not know. It can be within or it can be from outside, so own him. It's only God knows. And I have put my trust. Nyame or when say Nyame there. Chi upon Nyame also or Nimbia echo. I mean him say one day they go for bonnet for Musha. We are saying Omeba. Obey your my people.
What do my phone on filling station? Bet me identify I'm Robert C.
The Nipa Baku so bet me identify. I see Nipa Baku or a or a coco. On one some easy face mask, a face shield, face way no. The Omudi cover my name or Omu Baku say Omu you know back a year, a form, and so who back Nipa Baku name. And or see on finding emanation in him and to their generation. And almost almost using hand gloves also. Hand gloves no more back because and when I see police for free who forensic crime scenes for by and almost using hand glove and fingerprint me show about almost hand glove no back at SEO. And I in addition to that much to was no so much to hosting and John be fast and no samples ni bibiano and John would call you and say
okay you know to ya no e pump action no ana pese no mo wi afiri ho no
I'm suspecting a piece no mo wi no piece no mo wi no omo ba so omo dadie ba dadie omo say doors ni na what them including the air washroom na omo say doors no ma friend so omo intention is omo be say bibia as well as sika or no ma fa obi or no ma bro sa no boy nim ajimboni o mo timu no mo de sade no nyame kwa na ni
enti dem pa ne pra o security guy no ne ko ho sa no
dadie ne etu no mo de sa
Daddy ni etuo.
O si daddy ni etuo na omo de bono. Daddy ni etuo na omo de yesa. Omo ba so omo kwa daddy no na omo di bie doors na omo break doors no.
Well, inti pictures I mentioned on Facebook say here. Moja na source of fam ho ni nyina no eye ne course filling station ho.
Yes, on say moja wa form ni.
Moja wa form ho, yes.
Na so channel me. Security man no more hansa. And you see how the government hospital Keta.
Or the government hospital Keta.
That's right.
Adiesa pump attendant no ebi wo ho. Omo adwuma mu ho. Ana pump.
No nipa ba ko say nipa ba ko da ba ono tie no ye small boy bi anti.
Ojani.
Or Johnny me go through or jumping from a so. I say air condition or into what pay or window no far window no or climate air conditioning or jumping go with ram. Although there be every police when you be a answer like him said this.
Also suspect say one kasangasa won kwa no pese one moje ana so normal robbery.
And me this say normal robbery because on be taking me angasa bro me and I'm going to share me them the my musica 25,000 my laptop and my phone thing I'm going to give you and I'm going to come share me brother them and I'm going to lock me come on I'm going to here for me peso maybe be and fortunately for me no me were back door or die I'm going to lock me on I me be down kakra and I me skill one and I me join the police station. By the time I mean ya them, no almost sound by me on him. Now, many any shout, almost actually saying, yeah, on keep quiet, and you know, now, almost me, almost to finish me. They are looking for me to finish.
Some of them no.
I some no guy, and tell me a normal arm robbery, on by this Sanya Mano, and Jessica Baby. I saw Mojanico, and I or they have the gas to come back again to say me on him. They wanted to finish me. It's not my brother they are looking for. That is a statement. And I was also follow it. I call me you and Muko, yes, then they are following me and monitoring me.
Near the kind near a sea and the first incident, police investigations, if you want my I was saying.
Once a police investigation, it takes time. It's a process. And almost so yeah. I have also me bump I say you was CCTV camera off and the time number by no I'm sure the police for befa box but we will see today maybe question na phone was the best day
you fear for your life, honorable?
Yes.
Wabu pa.
He said I'm not on myself for seriously. Who pikura won't mean that because some of me feel no you kwa no be proper omo me papa me siblings in na the baba ko ye mama we car washing bin no omo bonu ohuni me we the shoulder na abobo we bones ne on kura abobo they need to hospital so hospital here omo did that they share hospital.
Honorable, are you considering probably giving up the seat? Chale monjemu seat na me ho and Tommy bibisa ewo.
Oh no, I know they won't determine because what would him say when the battle is becoming difficult, the victory is coming. For me prefer the me constituency no omube ko enim no na me nyame send me me ejuma and immediately omuye dem bibi omuye no me life na the most important omuye me tinya protection dey o ma kuma mu se me nyema me conscience for no me I mean say nyame was so obebem and bibia bebe
I don't know what's the offense here. Nyame nka ho. Nyame nka ho pa. Stay safe. Honorable Kwame Jujoli Gakpe is the member of parliament for Keta constituency. And I mean, no, actually, come on. But on a more serious note, I think, say, by Bofono, one moment, one many a sa openi ehun. na one mobile home by kwan from kosokra because acquire the tosumienu. This is the second time after 7 December to abanwi near tosumienu any and menene ka say clearly who say usuro wabohu pa papa nti ebesre approach for say bambo bia wombetime de ama opani ani manim ya no wɔn fama no na fe nhwehwɛmu a wɔn hyɛ ase ne edi kan nhwehwɛmu no wɔn ma yehu ne akwakosie wɔn ma yehu the first attack investigations no akosi sign ɛna wɔn so asie nti wɔn ma adwuma no ɛnyɛ ntem na fe yehu no dia efrimu de aba Doctor Session say sorry honorable I'm watching you from Kotobabi and no ama Facebook Seiram Kuma good morning CJ I'm watching you live at OEB my greetings to my father Kuma Isaac Amemaso and I say Kuma Isaac Amemaso from Akrusu. Okay, on also there or they am my Facebook and on come through with your comments on Facebook. Nafi Yanje Brena Yanken Kai Enfa and Ma Adomano 6.3 FM. Ma Menkayo say WhatsApp line here 0556748029 0556748029. Well, General Busuno say I had pa say yedibro nyani wie sanwan na sikasem na kwa bibia ho but nyamencha de Isway Savings and Loans. Isway Savings and Loans. And abay ma obesia up to 100,000 Ghana cedis. 100,000 sekane 1 billion. Ebesia yede ma wo na wonso so wo de twetwa ho hyene so. Wo ya ban dwuma ani a we eya wo dia. Take advantage of our new offer now. Access a new loan or transfer your loan with other institutions to Isway for a cheaper rate. Say be awaje loan ni bi or bank baby a ultimate transfer at the back Isway na fi interest rate no akofam kra na fi yama obre na wetuatua no by monthly installment kakran na onso so wetimi akoanim ti bomoden say ubebewura Isway Savings and Loans nkrabata bia na in 45 minutes no na usika at our accountum Frawomo anapaya na no montwetwe enkomo 0501 605 773 0501 605 773 and 0244 914 171 0244 914 171 branch bia bo bia no omono betwetwe enkomo hye kakra ho Isway fast and reliable. Shannon so sa fama me sabo mani sika Vodafone cash *110# na fe o de amani sika no network bia so o mani sika free Vodafone cash so de network bia so a free papa until Shannon so just send any amount as many times as you can to any network and pay zero charges on the money sent. So go ahead, make payments, show your love, make contributions, send money all you want by Vodafone Cash to all networks for free. Or dial *110#. Vodafone. The future is exciting. Ready? Kwaku sidai. Kwaku.
Odufui den medowa kusi udem papa akwanyumonde
Kwaku.
Oh my God, there is nothing I wouldn't.
Kwaku wako.
Ready adum
Why come on?
Enyum we unya bopena me honhoma sore
Saon. Enti na odi mrika be
na
wura.
say enyumpa hon edwodwo akoma
Sa.
ena ekinya sunsun
Amanfo bisa pa Facebook. Hwan na bo nyumi
Aywa na any manager aywa de na
Onyame chiame Gabriel Oheden nkrata no
Me bombe sama mawonkwa Unimi wo Unyami muda Unimi wo Emmanuel
aboko.
Erade adum.
Weekend na koye.
Oh, erade adum. Meka say 2021 nyame ne yedi ni yie.
Amen.
Esan say 2021 ye sha se kra na mu kukurufi ase ne ade. Na so erade adum. Wohe abatu ye chi yenko yi speaker emu sense me ba ye no. Ebi asinkrofo amanso enwie yie. Na so erade adum de course nyina chi.
Uganda video, Uganda and South Africa near their videos no parliament.
Masa yen so se ebia anka no ma bia anka bi si danka emra nanso kremuda aka na wase enya ba die hia ne se edie na yesu afri mu. What is the lesson we are learning from it? Said ye be ochina bi ye tu ya namon a esanso some of these things ye kan say obeka sa agra aman bi o ha na asumbi wo mu sen Ghana. Now so because o man who almost no akofa o unity aba ama sambra make say sasumdue no enya tia etisa homa enya tia oto ebebopo enti sese de nesiti ne da enti no eni kwase ye de no ma bidi agro saa tie fa se o we ni de saa no mate o mde o madwuma saa no mo ye no ne ye hu bi saa da se saa no mo tia eno ye o mo kokko mu asem na sa Ghana fo nyina ni da so filigadochi na ba kwa tamba lot box mentiase na ba kwa hwimpepa no de dramrika na ye on enyefe
but kwaku asamba ade ba ko so ha me and say ma chebja for no ase om de adwuni di agro both sides because sasa me no see ye wiye ewie me hwe videos na NDC ni MPP wo mo sresre wo ma no mo ba twede si anu
na nya on unse ye hu ne say ya twede
so
but o mo hu ne say eye ade e wo so o mo ye kan madwuma no
but it's not right
whichever way
it's not right
way essence ye
because a painting wrong negative picture
masa na dwene nipa na dwono essence ne pesi ye hu de tuemu ye pesi ye hu de tuemu ye pesi ye hu de ekoso essence Ghana ha ye nyina ye ntimi nko parliament eti ne ato aba ede yi anamusifo se omonko enkohye mra ne mayen na sabe wo brawu a wo so ampa finante wo brawu a wo so ampa finante wo hye mra na wo wia watam ballot box na wo wia wo hwe ballot paper
videos ni na ya de agu Facebook no e bia wan hwe bia ana e de agu Facebook no ne ko so na hye beja fi ayo 05 adaroma eni
eti a question na enkrofo bibisa ne se
ene da ho no
yesi ba queen di fatana
fatana kono
enye so wotre kwankwanu ya se to da metete kwakwa ana wati muka se ne meko bancha pisi ho what ya say eti edin bi wo ho aye de mawa ye hwe animu se abrabo bi wo ho a wonfa ho nye den ewuram esan wudin nti eti na se ka so obi ye sofo ankanye nansan na nipa bia ma asofudi ayefo a kane no ye ka so obi ye sofo wo sofo
ye bibi na ka sofo ba
o kan bible a wo se asofo ye nipa ye yu masi o man konkron ahina sofo kuo nipa wonni fo eti ye ka so obi ye osofo a sasem si na eduru de edin a wo bia akoma wo soro no ye hwe animu se sofo bamu a na asumdua yeden aba kane no yekaso obi ye headmaster ukoye nkurase headmaster even teacher keke
teacher so one go school now say teacher aba
me ka teacher keke nyima no nsibone o mo bi nyima no nsibone me pa che say uye teacher ni unya nuru headmaster mpo
obuo ni ani dia
ne yede mawo etu be headmaster ye hwe mu se no ma bi ho a headmaster pa na yese debi we dia menyini sofu pa na yese we dia menyini sa ni munyam kro na na wo mrahye bedwafie
enti ne efra wo mo anumunyamfo
honorables memetie mentimi nko fa sa title ne mfa nto me ho so. What did I mention as him? Entino say ye two abana Ghana ni padudo ni nyina ye se nhwem ni anyi 275 per out of the 30 million Ghanaians. Ye two abana ye 275 before see bedu sabre nipa bebre na eba omuyi omuti parties ahodo no no ma ye vetin no ma so ne so ne yi ntete na frim na afei ukọ wanim no aba beduru ba bia e wo se Ghana fo nso che ya adwene se ye pew ana ye mpew
sa pepepe
eti se Awurade wadom na utimi di nkunim a eye nimonyam hye a se Ghana fo nyina ye penipa 275 na CJ wudi ye den epiem eti sai nimonyam no ye wo ho akade ye wo no ma bia e wo sa wo ye se de be ya sai nimonyam no bedadi eni wo no ma bi so wo a wo ye a saa nsroma animonyam na etare wudwumadie no no edum nija edum ne nsroma what did they mean
difference am ya down ye hu ye
enti no nipa bi hwe ukọ social media mobo obi kra bisa question bi say so should these people be called honorables me make say yes nipa bi a wona nanso me kai obi say enye eye nipa ya to aba yi omo de omo ye no ebia wani so enye omo so aba abontia ba be chirim ade enye na enye nanso at the end of the day omo ne nipa ya to aba yi omo enti e besere wo omo ebia omo agro mu di CJ yete yi okwewura dem a wo agro no yiri bedi wo agro bia no ma bedi but nye sa agro ni nyina na obetimi abegina kokomlemle kwantempon so adi
dabi
because location no any occasion no might change certain things ebia mu dis agro no de bia wo mo dem mo anam wo ho ena mu ni magro yesi police for ma ho jesi atu yensa afro yesi wo ye panyini kura na jesi atu yensa afro yesi wo yo sere ni jesi atu yensa afro fine e magro amudi na edebi say die nka agro no sesa yes ige kenye bone nka debi say wiase afa na nyina ehweyen anka sa agro ye omudi yeyi anka etimi sesa ya nkenye bone
asefem kwaku asefem meme hunu asoja fo fi ho no anam ta ena de Ghana ya gidin
se asem
na Ghana ya gidin
soja fo no ebi mu bisa se de enti no mo ba ye mempese me kom bebre wan hwe ya no obi akwagima no asibone wan hwe ya no obi akwagima no asibone issues of security is security if say soja ni ana police ni ejina ba bi en frɛ no na so hu se bibi koso a ono na ni so hu ne se security wise enkoye na wo so okom koboa na be ya CJ nti won koboa na wonyai esanse en frɛ no eya sembisa me de menka mo bia anyima no nsi bone enti asembisa ne se de na ekoso wo ho no na drum pompon so a ewo se ye ma asrafo be mo ana police wodi kan ba ho ene wo mo ko ye enti na drum ba bia wo se ma asrafo ba na nka mo ba be ye den eno ni asembisa no
because we ko asrafo de ye bie wo mo ana wo mo ba kurom abra okoasi se okoasi ena hu asrafo enti se ne awubisa no a de course no na eduru mpempenso a ese ekofa sojafo na wo ba mu ana because say ye can wo so maintain law and order e wo mrahye bejafia e marshals e wo madwuma marshals na ofie ho no wo madwuma no
na wo hwa marshals no madwuma no wo sa adwuma bi wo ho a ye de ma wo a wa hwe ya na akoda ne ade so a adwuma bi a wo ye biara you should enjoy what you do e wo say ye adwuma wani gye ho a wo ye a wo mre ansa na waye eti yehwe marshals no omadwuma na omo ye na embrahye bedwafo no mo breye ana wo ma mre esanse ye hu kra no yenim se ye to aba ye mpagya ballot box nka ho ye nkohwim ballot paper nka ho se ye to aba na yesi mo obi amfa nkyere ne yonko wo bi se me de be kyere me yonko obi si adenti na ade akere wo yonko obi si o ena ye three line whip system no eno kire se ye betimi de akere we se da bi o ye ka se ye to no kokwam te three line whip system anya adwuma etimakota ballot box we so makohwim paper we so makohwim sei enti ye bisa se marshals na adwuma na no omo ye no emrahye bedwafo no mo omo kwan mo omo ye ni ye ana so omo ye ni ye dia eba ne sen ena de hu ye ne ba ye so ma anya ni ye nso a de na ama o ma ntimi anya ni ye no mutumi wo mumu duro no na enrum rahye bedwafo ne de ana meme de asembisa na mibisa mo obi anyima no nsi bone it way and somewhere was see a bisa na yetimi hwe say bia marshals no e was say ebia bibi o ye de ma wo mo ka ho to me bi wo de mo ka ho a say oka setena sia e wom so ye mrahye bedwani na mum wo ye mrahye bedwani posi enti o so wotena se na mraye adwuma essence from what I saw it looked as if the marshals no na mrahye bedwafo ne hye mu wo sa
adwuma ne je wo nsem
from what I saw
na ohwe baby a yehiri baako ayi no so ho podium no so yehiri no free ho no ma ye wie ko butu ballot box no to to baby
areho say box aye de ba beto aba e kwan a ye fa so de ato aba no mani nye hu nti no ada ne busli etinka ko butu ye e na nka so wati ko na kumu a na no ye koya na ye ba
Ghana me hwene say as a movie as a film
me hu dream you
film pa
CJ ma me kan ko nchew me hu dream me essence sa de ye hu bi wo enkrofo amanso am ye de abeye news wa ha aka ya fresh security analyst ni o maka am ya condemn but ma na anwene ho da say mra bi bedu ama me man Ghana aya wo mitu mu ye ni o man bia wo ba bia o mimi de minim CJ so wo man bia wa naturalize o asemba obetumi afa kwati kwan akwa hye ho de a mimi ni ba bia
ya ye nie
aha miti French mentebon
ya ye nie
what you say etimi nkwatena Togo mitimi nkwatena Cote d'Ivoire na mitimi nkwatena Burkina Faso Ghana ha ena mitimi atena ena mimi ni mebusu ani o ka French eti asem sikiza kinkire me mabusu ya ka ayo ate French nti ayo aka ha. So we should protect the peace and yamedia mayen. Yes, in the name of politics. Na enu ye no ma bi de tu nkrofo akoma. People got scared.
Kwakuma me kwa homa no so na mentwetwe enkoma medical de tuja say election petitioner akwakodan Supreme Court. The description I Frabem, in fact, the Electoral Commission describing it as incompetent. Maminji Munchemu kakra. Rokojo Ponkroma and the Kasa Edema Abain any man penny on the election petition. Honorable, Memache.
CJ Johnson design.
Nyamiadum Yahuye. Congratulations, so honorable.
To Ghana Yinara say ye to me a your friend eighth parliamentary dispensation and a second term of a man penny at Danko Kufuado. Namisama when we're tearful in our official.
I think committee honorable. Describing election petition as incompetent. Any woman.
And we a lawyer for Brofo. To be say Obeka say incompetent, a frivolous, a vexatious. A lawyer for Brofo. So be the BB Kodan court. Na udi gunseni na adekono ababi anymore. Potokasa no ne de describe sa abieno se we are ipe dia ba bedan court no ehuru de hurada hwinim mogu nti bia court no ento entwene esan se wo hwe de friend no election petition se den na election petition sabi any di mnye so de krata bia court keke ne friend election petition and wakujina court akikabi any friend election petition Ghana Supreme Court no watono bo akere de election petition properly called ye de ebedan court court bisi hunkunya asa ni bre ahwe na say Ira Mahama ne lawyer for the krata bi court say election petition o de abano no na mampani Akufo-Addo any lawyer for lawyer Akoto-Ampao lawyer Frank Davis on that MPP legal team now only lawyer for penny for you now or matna say I response e dia kwakoma Supreme Court ne say tade na yinu anom ndc for the ababeto on e hude hurada ababi anim hwinim into say court no pa say animanim ya akro to me totwene for person mu si nkonwa no mukom esese no se bese pane ko ni haban so a ombenya brene na asese akere amobi en se hwinim de nti no mo se hwinim says okay election petitioner ukujina court na no akere say bia abana ye to ye no they are potoka me friend the validity of the election abana nkasa no ya nto ni ye bia ba ye to ye say nkofo bibre to be nkofo uhwe ni padoma ye preventive wo so mo nto abana na electoral malpractices are course ti wo sisini na nka court na usampa abaya yesi ato na we di nkunim wo hwese ne yankofo bibre ya manto ana electoral offenses ana more practices a course so ne materiality send ye door so fa no into me my yen hwa ba we anim nka se ampani ampa ba we ya ba papa yidina so de koyani ana se bia wo beka se abane de ye hwa ye to ni problem ni ho ni padodo to ye electoral more practices bi ni ho nemum so what results are aba to my ku mpanimfo no be declare na ene abana nkasa nkofo to ye na eboebra kwa be na be fa so akere bia aba so pink sheet nyina ni ne sese pink sheet ni nyina minya sei enso omko boy no mo adane no se minya sei that is what chere say nyesa abato na nkasa validity of the election na problem no ho na results no kwan a o ma fa so abosa result no ene actual result no eboebra let's say why the election petition party abedan court no union Ura Mahama court no anko kansa call no say is your ba penny Jim Mensa 9th December no all your announcement no na no funfum ye na no na funfum ye bi ni say baby also can total valid votes or can total votes cast baby also can total votes cast or can total valid votes na no na fom ye and baby also account 51.295% or account 51.952%. It is a offer 51.952% na this is about 100%. And at the tosumian so almost say at the and we issue press release so they correct it their protocol make us a mispronouncements na oye no na sa press release no cry na mistakes wo mu a Emma or more say Emma bibi omo friend vote pardon by 6,000 votes. Make as another BT if we Mahama by 500,000. Or mom say mistake a bad statement ni mono amounted to vote pardon of by 6,000 votes. I feel the chat omo say enti so who first mistakes we na now kofa or my churo omo din na wo Techiman South. Na usu se omo nyina ba beto aba wo de ka ho a aba no ebia na na Akufo-Addo onya more than 50%. Enunti no court no and sign result na EC edibeto abonte na court in order say enkoto aba no foforo.
Ono say vote pardon na 6,622 votes.
Eno na America no be 6,000. Ode open craft akodu 7,000. Obi e between 500,000. We say press statement na EC issue on the 10th and they corrected the mispronouncement of the first day no amounted to vote pardon of BBS would have 7,000 po who are brand nipa na between 500,000 nti no na court no ntena sinsi nkundra na on train results no sign no my into aban for nti no man penny ni lawyer for omo answer omo dey court no say eye hurada ba bia ni say o ma say na say ma me na no funfum ye da or your announcement and that's all cut to the actual results of the election the friend of form 13 no abaya no in 275 constituencies or pink sheet ni na kikaboom na big dina court na katin say me kikaboom no send ya me di kan catch me supporters e wo krom say me winni na obi area me no ampani ampa me kika pink sheet ni na boom na me winni nti me results ni e no ma bobi bi foforo so wo mambe ye no nkyere court no woman metre court ne say ebi aba no defective because ya ntono wa ha na electoral malpractice wa ha ni na say wasem nyina ne say maame no na announcement a o ye na sa ada na edikan na no funfum ye na official results no form 13 no krampo wo mpesa obehwe no dia wa sign ye no nka wasem wo mpesa obehwe no dia o man penin lawyer for asem say eye huruda da anti court no man ha no opa otumi boku sa abria so person msi nkonya so na say omo edomu asukona okyerɛkyerɛ ni na baako so obetumi so aye no so anti no nin komo ma pani lawyer Akoto-Ampao lawyer Frank Davis ni lawyer for Kukudamu a omo no omo wo man pani team no omo de akwakodan court no. Okay, honorable mamenju adwen kyerɛ wo we ho
Ura Mahama ni petition no okyerɛ sɛ voter epie mu e wo Techiman South constituency si ade ni nyina ka ono ne de no ho a ANDC for de no ho a enya de anana do dan Akufo-Addo nko benya 50% plus 1 vote no no ubeya no sen
they are all kind of hypothetical. Say voter or man natural mudin or teaching myself. See the nini nara eka or no need the one. Enona ubi inya 50%. Edi kind abana ye announce na hypothetical actual. Teaching myself pink sheet na wo. Ntinya fi na ubi best say the nini na pink sheet no wo. Nipa be 99,436 total vote cast of Techiman South no. And yes, I feel no be na dream best actual result no wo. Baby anana do nya ne de baby ayura mahama nya ne de say 46,000 52,000. Ni na wo. Ndi wontu mi mba me hypothesis say aka ama ye de ni na koka we de ho a. Pacho what say the American as it? Because actual result no wo. Inti first of all a hypothetical argument to say inti aka ma wo di ni na koka we de ho a. Eno no enyina ne na so. Enye hypothesis ye actual. Secondly, the Chiman South no enye a hypothesis of Oma na atro mu din nyina e na wo de beka total vote cast ho a ye ka ho asemu. Ye ka nipa he ne to aba ma na na dan kwakufu ado na nipa he ne to aba ma Yura John Dramani Mahama. Inti untumi ma meka se aka ma ye de Techiman South ni na akoka we de ho da bi ye kan plain say nipa he ne to aba ma Yura Mahama. Nipa he ne to aba ema na na dan kwakufu ado. Sa result ni na wo ho a wo de ka ho a pink sheet ni wo ho. To mo fen ka ho prekwan. Ndubon say nanado lawyers no court on be court no be demonstrate say Techiman South pink sheet na no ni faka ho mass faka ho nyi na ehwe say dia wo ka no gina na so an nyi na nanado no lawyers be demonstrate say huda be bi ani.
Honorable, finally asking the Supreme Court say one dismiss such an election petition is it going to be that easy?
Oh, so what some the okache court na why man nyina so to bonso man pen lawyer for no ekire nyina so o mo kire se wo ba court aba be election petitioner nyina so e wo se wo deba sebe untumi man bi gina ho embo sire mu keke na won kan se aba ne de me open sheet no but me ade aba ne de me nka se obi anto ni yi ana se abato na nko yi me de man se mo ani se ma me no 9th no o kasa no na no fom ye okoka total vote cast instead of total valid votes. And a baby also account 51.295, no okoka 51.592. And oko issue statement the next day so they correct and a statement no crab mistake wom. And sana Techiman South aka ma wo de o ma chro mo din nyina ba beka ni me de ho obi anko. Say wa sem nyina no dia o man pani lawyer for no so ebe to me actually mo dia you see nkonya ha e but who per se you see nkonya so a mbetumi nya bre asese ne se besepa ne konya ha ba kire wo se ababia ni nti omo application to court na ni Safina court no crab be power judge for a betena so
yes
now be on fixed date for hearing na you grandpa e ka se yenya ni ntie so mampani that John Dramani Mahama lawyer na court say omo de kata for court no so omo person omo sesa wo original petition no omo person omo corrections bill
yeah
so say what
yeah
nti eno say me say court ni si nkonya no omo frɛ a lawyer for afenu ni na yes your lawyer for no wo ho asema omo beka so obi abedina court obi ano from ye nti on dey entry na bo so mrama ho kwan ma wo so ubedina wo say wo de wo ano afom wo kata na me ma kwan na correct ana so presidential election petition mrama CI 127 constitution e ma wo kwan po say wa file e wi no tumba be sesa wano ana ni na me di say asema court no fi asisi nkonya alaya for penny for no ebedi ho nkomo.
Okay honorable me da say but you know tell some penny dissolve cabinet enokre
TJ ma nche mu kakra then say so be kai 4th and 5th January na poto kasa bia ye kan emse parliament ni baby say it stands dissolves and after it stands dissolved say be you obi na be say they dissolve ni tumi na asa until we say 6th January ne 7th no o man penny na kasa ni na bidie ni ministers ni na ne cabinet na tumi ne sign no afi na ye ba be ye no foforo nti fiti ne koni ade o man penny we say obefiase abobɔ ne minister for person no ɔmo yɛ adwuma 18 the old cabinet ni old aban no stands dissolved from the 6th of January and there because of Presidential Transition Act ɔmampani manya ne ntie sɛ ɔbɛma krata ama nkɔfo bi ɔpa so ɔmo nkɔhwɛ ministries no ɛso while sabre ɔbɛbobɔ nkɔfo din so ɔmo nkɔvetin na akɔna pass vetin ni wi awa so no this red gold green ade tintin ana
ɔde ahyɛ nsɛm
no ɛno ne utumi krata so wode bɛ ministry wa akɔyɛ adwuma the old cabinet no old aban no it stood dissolved midnight of 6th to 7th 7th no ɔmampani swae foforɔ so ɔba do mu so akɔfo na mu kantam kɛseɛ no afi na ɔba bɛhyehyɛ aban no foforɔ ntɛm sɛ nkyerɛmu kakra ɛwɔ hɔ ntɛm sɛ anɔpɛ yi ɔmbɛma nkrataa to various nkɔfoɔ sɛ ɔmo nkɔhwɛ various ministries so while ɔmampani ɛkyekyere n'aban.
Okay, nti yɛka sɛ government business ɛbɛkɔ sɛn until ɔmampani bɛyɛ the necessary appointment.
Yɛrane executive presidency tumi ni na wɔ ɔmampani ɔno betumi ama ɔtumi krataa sɛ kɔhana kɔyɛ wema so person appoint you as minister there ɔbɛbɔ din no wakyerɛ krataa akɔ parliament na wo akɔ parliament atoto wa no parliament na wasan bɔ ɔmampani hɔ na wama wasɔe na ɔde krataa na hyɛ wɔsa na wakɔ ministry hɔ the government business efi aseɛ anɔpɛ yi with the executive president and the vice any obi bi ɔmampani bɛma no krataa as representative so nkɔyɛ adwuma wɔ baabi but say or person or your minister there no so another processes are you go through. Fantastic.
Honorable Mampeni, Professor Michael Kwei, Nkugo Odi, Mampeni Jenny
no kwenya nyame anim ni 56th no minimum Mampeni NCI eni nkomo.
Okay.
Enti baby a wo bisa me kono ɛhɔ no me kasa me wo hu nim dia na me dia kyɛw.
Okay. But one kasa hu ne saying
Yenina na Astefim Bumbu Emae. Esan say na yen ye hwenim say Professor Michael Kwei abana yeto no obidi inkunim. And so I'm saying na yeni edi dia course wo parliament echi na nyefe egu ye hu anim ase papa wo parliament na Astefim oto obisa won say nti ade aye ye mani na nanom na ehwe e wo TV so ana. Ba me gidi say akwanya ho a wose isua ne ma bebre fi na no ase yebekọ anima parliament na ba betena se no bitumi enya bre esua ne ma efrisa ne ma ekọ eso ni na
honorable on a more lighter note ntoma na watutu ni ntina so wan sheda mfa ho angimu no ana na ase because you say maybe I know to know you said in action honorable
said there was a lot of confusion. Nema na cause maybe out to TV na wo hwa wo tumi hu bibia wo dina floor ho so ra bi wo hokra wo hu dia yesha da akoso beti ye as a bibi koso no ade. Enti there's a lot of confusion on the floor but then na make no the here na say sabre ni na to a channel nema bi sua film na ye dia ye hu ye ko enim na wo see tumi hwe na yetumi ye
mame no wase ne fancy am boss Joshua Tigo oso na odi nkomo wa kire ho ntipa cho gina so mame sima honorable Kojo Ponkroma member of parliament for Ofuase Airebi and government spokesperson petition and amene no atwetwen nkomo no bikwaku CJ ranche no aba yemfa krata no be ba ku binya den entwim so hu ba ku pe
enti na ba ku de a Daily Guide obokrata ene ye de chance na Daily Guide se mampanyini wapa onipa bi so omra meboa no samre ya woka kanani na afi wafa asoafo no wontimi manedwumadi a wodi ne nampan enti wafa nipa bi so omra meboa no se de be ya bibia betimi akonkan na akopiem wo na woni a obakai se nso toye mekowi ase yiri fa nkrofo se Daily Graphics se nkrofo ne da so agu classroom baby omo beda no kra no muni baby omudi omutiri eto na ohwe anso aga ne times obokrata no wase abuabu station eja hwehwe ma no homene so adum kase boye de bai ahye nkrofo store ama wo hwe animu ha pa sadi eja ne sidem na chese wonsem ha adwene pa na mampanyine nsema wode tudwa se be yanka Supreme Court wonto mampanyine dada mahama ne nsem no fantontwene no chronicle so de aba den kwisita da obokrata no so de a wode ba ye ne se NPP amanyoku ansa omokwa akohia mu no makoto aba na omudi ayi chiamehene no omokwa Alisa Hotel omokwa campaign de nanso a campaign ne ba ye ne se so omotinu hu se pataku bi asim as a nipa bi person omo ya sa be se gum girl eti na de omo bo omo ho an se de be obi antim be wuram se na nipa no wuram dada no wuram dada o mani bo omo se na akrofo awia omo e na kofa asasem ni nyina buy dem kwisi de obokrata na de buy the publisher enso de bia ba ni nyina yi sinsensem na obi amo te se de kwadwo ponkroma kan ya se ade enye na enye wati ase won kata na ni enka so adifita wadi tuntum ko susum no aka se ye buburu kosua yi obi amo anso se na enye nti wo munya o maka se